Bob Clancy, back with you with a short Friday update. Quick turn for the YouTube. We have our shop meeting. You see everyone back in here. Once a month, we get the whole shop together to give a little bit of an update what's been going on in the business. And if you remember from the last YouTube video, one of the last ones we shot was Ryan had made a deal where if he ever owned more than one cat at a time, he would owe the entire factory a Costco hot dog. Fun fact, Ryan owes the entire factory a Costco hot dog if he ever owns more than one cat at a time.
Oh, what?
Yep, it's in there.
And I have 2 cats.
You do? Oh, I'm reading that at the next factory meeting.
Seriously?
So you can see behind me, the guys are already meeting for the shop meeting. So I'm gonna go interrupt the end of the meeting and drop the bomb that Ryan has to buy the entire factory a Costco hot dog. So come along with me.
And that brings our year-to-date numbers up to 9.
All right, normally there's some boring economic chart up here and I bore you all with some fact about the channel, what's been going on. I don't have that today. I have this beauty right here. Who knows what the Costco hot dog is? $1.50, the inflation-proof Costco hot dog. Fun fact, I think there was some research done, one of your friends maybe, we were talking in a parking lot, some guy that you know, and he said he did a thorough analysis and the Costco hot dog has more calories per dollar than any other food you can purchase. So for $1.50 you can get a Costco hot dog and a drink, one of the best deals you can get in town. Why do I talk about a Costco hot dog? Because if you've been around Ryan Walker very long, he may have mentioned that he will wager something to you in a Costco hot dog. I have a couple examples.
It's sanctified betting.
It's, yeah, a wager. That's what I call a wager. Sanctified betting, he says. An example might be, for example, we were in New Zealand and he said that he would buy me a Costco hot dog if I didn't get a speeding ticket. And I was speeding the whole time. I never got a speeding ticket. You still owe me a Costco hot dog. The other thing with Costco hot dogs is they're not time bound and you have to settle them in your own money. You can't like expense it somehow through some like crafty measure through accounting. It has to come out of your own pocket to settle a Costco hot dog. Another fun fact, I said they're not time bound, right? So if you make a Costco hot dog wager with Ryan or anyone for that matter, unless you put a date on it, it can go on into perpetuity. So who knows Bruce Tallman in here? I know you do, it's your dad. Bruce Tallman, our technical services manager. From now until Bruce dies, if Bruce ever gets his Jeep stolen, you'll buy him a Costco hot dog. Because the thing has like 500,000 miles on it, it's gonna run forever, and Bruce leaves the keys in it. Okay, why does this matter? It matters because, and I became the arbiter of all things Costco hot dog wagers. So if you have made a side Costco hot dog wager with Ryan or any of your coworkers, I'm happy to put it in my log. 3 years ago, Ryan decided he was gonna get a cat. He's going to become a cat guy, which I thought was really weird. And so I said, hey, if you ever own more than one cat, you owe the entire factory a Costco hot dog. So on the YouTube channel, you can go look at this video this weekend. We're in the car in South Carolina, and I was trying to pass time, and I'm reading entries from the Costco hot dog log. And I said, hey, this is a fun one, and this is on YouTube. Ryan, if you ever own more than one cat, you owe the entire factory a Costco hot dog. And he looks up from the back seat horrified because Ryan has 2 cats. He is officially a cat guy, including these, whatever these are. They live outside, so you get that. But they're kind of bougie, they get these nice little warm huts. So anyways, I'm here to tell you all that sometime in April, you all get a Costco hot dog on his dime, and we're gonna do that outside the pavilion probably. We'll figure out a way to cook up a Costco hot dog and share them together. When you fulfill your obligation, I put into the log, fulfilled. You still owe me one from the New Zealand thing, just wanna let you know. You cannot settle that up next month, that was separate. The one next month I get for the cat. So if you have any Costco hot dog things that need to go in my log, please let me know. And one other detail, I had this made so that when you go to Costco to buy them, you have to wear the Costco hot dog lapel of shame. And so you have to wear that the rest of the day. Look forward to having a Costco hot dog with you all on his dime in April. All right, Ryan, 200 hot dogs from your pocketbook to the mouths of the people.
one of the things that is tough to swallow with this whole thing is that I have been up. I've been I have. I've been up on the Costco hot dog log.
Oh,
I
like
win,
net?
I win. Yeah, I win more
okay,
than
all
I
right.
lose.
Yeah, maybe.
I win more than I lose.
Well, you got a deep hole to dig out of, my friend.
So now
You're
I'm
never gonna
like
dig out of this
200
hole.
Costco hot dogs later.
Yeah.
I have some work to do getting back on par.
I can't wait.
Back into the.
I can't wait.
I'm at such a deficit now.
Couple weeks, a month, I don't know when we're gonna do this, but stay tuned and join us as we eat 200 Costco hot dogs.
Yeah, here we go.